You guys, this nighttime routine has completely transformed my skin, and I'm gonna let you in on my secret. The first thing I do is cleanse with Yon-Ka's Lean Out to Yawn. It's a milky, velvety cleanser that literally takes off all makeup and dirt from the day. Next, I go in with lotion Yon-Ka. I don't know what magic they put in this formula, but this is just the most hydrating, relaxing facial mist that I've ever tried. It keeps my skin hydrated all day, preps my skin for makeup, and actually makes my makeup last longer than it usually. Next, I go in with my Holy Grail Serum Elixir Vital. This is packed with niacinamide, peptides, and amino acids to really help repair and nourish dry, damaged skin. I have some dehydration lines on my forehead that always bother me, and this really helps fill them out and just make my skin look super smooth and just hydrated. Next, I moisturize with Yon-Ka's Nutri Defense Cream. This leaves my skin like a dewy goddess. It's packed with omega-3, niacinamide, and shea butter to really help with ultra dry skin.